Hello students and welcome to Aspiraacademy. This is your Anmol ma'am and I will be teaching class 10 student mathematics, and today I have brought chapter 8 trigonometry, and here we go. First we have the name of the chapter, that is trigonometry. Okay, that is introduction to trigonometry. I know in class 9 you have heard from your senior that the chapter is very tough, it will be very challenging for you guys. But trust me, today's class will be very much interesting, and if you go with me, then you will feel the chapter is very easy. But along with that, you have to practice as well. Now let's move. First, we should know what is trigonometry. Like the word is divided into three parts: trigon and metro. Metro means metron. Okay, tri means three. This is 3. Gon means sides and metro means measurement. Now see, 3 sides. What do you understand by 3 sides? A figure with 3 sides, that is triangle, isn't it? Okay, that means 3 sides of a triangle and its measurement. And it is specially right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Now see, this is a right angle triangle. What does a right angle triangle mean? Right angle triangle means a triangle which has one angle 90 degree. Clear? Now this trigonometry is dealing with the calculation of all the sides and angle of a right angle triangle. Now see what a right angle has. It has a height, isn't it? It has a base, and it has the slopy area or inclination. Clear? And this inclination, how much inclined it is understood by this angle theta along with this angle. Suppose if we say this angle is a theta, then this might be alpha. We are just giving the name. So trigonometry, basically in this chapter we learn the calculation of these sides and angles. This is fixed. Okay, this is fixed. After this, whatever angle are there, whatever side are there, we will be dealing with the calculation and the relation between them. Clear? Now let's move to next slide. See, first, before starting any topic regarding trigonometry, we should not forget about the Pythagoras. He was a mathematician and he proposed a theorem that is called Pythagoras theorem. In this theorem, we came to know that, you know about this, but still we have to know this, we have to repeat again. We came to know that hypotenuse h square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Those who have forgotten this, I will explain, don't worry. See, what is hypotenuse? See, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Clear? Now see, in right angle triangle there is an angle which is equal to 90 degree. This is the 90 degree. Clear? Sine of 90 degree. Now see, any triangle, the bigger the angle, its opposite side will be also the biggest side of entire angle, entire triangle. Clear? So this is the bigger angle. Okay, so this will be the bigger size, that is hypotenuse. Clear? And the remaining one will be perpendicular and another will be base. But let me make you clear, in trigonometry we have to take one angle as a reference angle. Clear? So suppose if we take this angle as a reference angle theta, reference angle theta. So see, hypotenuse, this is the longest side of a right angle triangle. Clear? Longest side, don't forget that. And also we can say also opposite of angle which is 90 degree. Either you say largest side or the biggest side, or you say opposite of 90 degree right angle. Clear? Now what is P? P is the opposite side of reference angle. That means here see, this is what? This is a reference angle. We have assume angle A, angle CAB as a reference angle. Angle CAB equals to theta. This is reference angle. Clear? And the opposite of this angle, see, opposite of this angle is this side. Opposite of this angle is this side. Okay? And this is P. Clear? Opposite of reference angle. Similarly, what is B? See, B is the adjacent side of reference angle. Clear? So see, here you can see this is theta, reference angle, and the adjacent side, see, it has two adjacent sides. One is this, one is this. Adjacent means bagal wala, the next to that, okay, but just beside that. So this reference angle has two adjacent sides. One is hypotenuse and one is this one. But we will not consider hypotenuse as an adjacent side because it is hypotenuse. We have already given the name. The remaining side is this one and this is base. Clear? Understood? So this is base and this is perpendicular. And this is the formula which you have to remember. Along with this we can find so many formulas, like here you can see h equal to root over p square plus b square, p equal to root over h square minus b, h square minus b square, b is equal to root over h square minus p square, p square equal to h square minus b square, b square equal to h square minus b square. Clear? So just remember this. Just remember this formula and you can find this one. Okay? Now let's move to the next slide. Now see, trigonometric ratios. In this chapter we have to study certain trigonometric ratio. We will study about that. In this chapter we will study some ratios of sides of a right angle triangle with respect to its equiangle. That means, see, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, we'll study about these sides with respect to equiangle. Means we'll consider this. We have to calculate these two angles also. We'll be calculating that also, but not 90 degree. But yeah, in trigonometry ratios you will also find 90 degree. We'll study about that. Don't worry. Clear? Called trigonometric ratios of the angle. We'll restrict to our discussion to only acute angles. So we'll only discuss about acute angle. It's not like that trigonometric ratio don't go for more than that angle. Means it don't go for obtuse angle. You know acute angle? You know acute angle? Acute angle means more than more than 0 degree, 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Now see, it's not like that trigonometric ratios don't go for more than 90 degree angles, don't go for obtuse angle, don't go for reflex angle. It goes, but in this chapter for class 10 syllabus, CBSE and SEBA both, HSLC class 10, we have to study only about the acute angle or till 90 degree. Clear? From 0 to 90 degree. Okay. We will also define the trigonometric ratio for angle measured 0 to 90 degree. Now let's move to the next slide. These are the trigonometric ratios. See, here you can see trigonometric ratios. There are 6 trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cotangent. Cosecant. Now see, what are these? These are 6 trigonometric ratios, okay? But every time we don't write the long one, we just write the short form, okay? Now see, it's not that tough. Right now you might be feeling it's tough, but it's not that tough. See, we'll only use this one: cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Okay. Now this is a triangle. Clear? This is a triangle. We have taken angle A as a reference angle, you can see. Which angle? This one as a reference angle. If this is a reference angle, then which one will be the hypotenuse, which one will be the perpendicular, and which one will be the base? Hypotenuse doesn't change. Clear? It is always the longest side. Hypotenuse never changes. It is always the longest side, or you can say the opposite of 90 degree. Clear? So this is a 90 degree right angle triangle, and its opposite is AC. So this is the hypotenuse. It will never change. Okay? But perpendicular and base might change according to the angle which we have taken as a reference angle. So here we have taken the reference angle is that is angle A. So the perpendicular will be the opposite of this angle, that is CB. This will be the perpendicular, and the remaining is base or adjacent to the reference angle beside hypotenuse, that will be the base. Clear? Now see. Sine A, okay, sine of angle A, the short form is sine A. Clear? You don't have to write this long, but for understanding it is there, you can understand, but no need to write this long. Clear? Now see, sine A is always equal to P by H. You have to memorize. Fine. Sine A is always equal to P by A. Now see what is here written: side opposite to angle A. Side opposite to angle A is P. So up P, down hypotenuse H, P by H. Clear? So it is written BC by AC. Okay. Similarly, this you can write cos A. Cos A is always B by H. Okay, that is AB by AC. See, B means side adjacent to angle A. B is side adjacent to angle A beside hypotenuse. Clear? So that will be AB by AC. See, B is AB and H is AC. Clear? Similarly, tan. You don't have to write tangent. Okay, tan A. Tan A equal to P by B. Tan A is P by B. You can see P is BC and A is P by B. B is AB. Similarly, cosec. Cosecant, no need to write cosecant, you just write cosec. Cosec A is equal to H by P. Just opposite, just the reciprocal of sine A. You see, sine A P by H, cosec A H by P. So it will be reciprocal, that is AC by BC. Clear? Now see, after that you can write sec. No need to write secant of angle A, just sec A. Sec A, that is H by B. Sec A is just reciprocal of cos A, B by H, H by B. So you can write from here AC by AB. Clear? And the last one is cot A. Not to write cotangent, okay, just write cot A is equal to B by P. It is just the reciprocal of tan A. So it will be AB by BC. Clear? Okay. Now what if we take angle C as a reference angle, suppose alpha, or angle C, whatever, we can write C itself. What happens if we take angle C as a reference angle? Will these trigonometric ratios, see, trigonometric ratios means these 6 ratios which is equal to the ratio of sides of this triangle. Clear? Now what if we change reference angle? Now see what will happen. Now we'll talk about sine C or sine alpha or sine alpha. Okay, I'm using sine C, not alpha. Okay, now see, when it becomes Sin C, that means when the C will be the reference angle, C will be the reference angle. See, when C will be the reference angle, what will happen? This is 90 as usual. This is A, B, C. Hypotenuse will never change. It will never change. It will be always the opposite of 90 degrees. So this will be the hypotenuse. See, now this is the reference angle. What will be the perpendicular? Obviously, perpendicular will be AB, because I said you, perpendicular is always the angle opposite to the reference angle. So this will be the perpendicular and the remaining will be base. Clear? Now see. Sin C. What is sin C? We know sin C means P by H, isn't it? See, P by H. Now see. Which one is P? This one is P. P means AB. AB. And H. H will never change. H is AC. H. Is sin A equal to sin C? Definitely not. Why? Because angle is different. Clear? Since angle is different, then the ratios will be different. Understood? So you can write similarly of cos A, tan A, cos C, tan C, C, tan C, cosec C, sec C and cot C. Okay, this will be your homework. Clear? One more thing I want to make you clear, that I know you have been clear about this still. Sin A doesn't mean that this is sin into A. Okay, this doesn't mean this. Sin A simply means sine of angle A. Clear? Sine of angle A. Don't forget that. Along with that, I'll give you a capsule to memorize this formula. See. But the thing is, you should not rely on this, okay? This is for the starting purpose. All the formula, see, to get good marks, for me, good marks means 100% marks in maths, okay? So to get 100% marks in maths, all the formulas should be in tip of your tongue here, okay? So for the starting purpose, you can use this. You know the serial? Serially you know sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, isn't it? Now you have to fill the box. प्यारी बहन प्रिया हंसते हंसते बोलो ना. Clear? So see, sin means P by H, cos means B by H, tan P by B, cosec H by P, sec H by B and cot B by P. Clear? Okay. Now I think you have understood this. You have to memorize all the formula. Now let's move to the next question. Okay. We have some extra formula as well which we have to study. Maths means formula, lots of formula, isn't it? Now see. Sin A or sin theta, we can say. Sin theta is equals to P by H. We know this. We know this. We also know that cosec theta equal to H by P. That means reciprocal. This means sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Understood? Similarly, you see, cos theta equal to H by B and sec theta equal to H by B. Cos theta B by H and sec theta H by B. It is reciprocal, isn't it? That means cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta. Okay? Similarly, see, tan theta equal to P by B, cot theta equal to B by P. This is also reciprocal. So tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, or also you can write cosec theta equal to 1 by sec theta. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta and cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Clear? But you have to memorize. You should not be relying on this, just you will do this and you will take out the formula. Okay, you have to memorize this. Along with that, see, one more thing. Sin theta by cos theta. Now see, what is sin theta? P by h. What is cos theta? B by h. H will be cancelled, that will be P by B, which is equal to tan theta. That means tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Clear? Similarly, cos theta by sin theta is equals to B by h divided by P by h. H will be cancelled, that is B by P, that is cot theta. Therefore, cos theta by sin theta is equals to cot theta. This all formula you have to memorize. Okay? Clear? So how many formula we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 formula. Clear? Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. See, Pythagoras triplet, since it is not in the book, but still I have given you. Why I have given you? No. Now the pattern has changed. Now we will get lots of MCQ questions in exam, isn't it? So in MCQ questions, we don't have to show what we have, how we have done. Only we have to write the answer. Only we have to show the answer, isn't it? So there are certain tricks. If you use that, then you will be requiring very less time to solve the question, and you will be getting lots of time to solve other questions. Okay, so before 1 mark, we can't give lots of time, isn't it? It's MCQ. So I have given this if possible. If possible, memorize as much you can. Why? First you should know what is Pythagoras triplet. See, as I said you, h square equal to p square plus b square. This is a Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? So that means what you know, in every right angle triangle, there exists a unique three number means 3 digits, 3 number unit. Okay, it might mean centimeter, meter, or whatever it is. Suppose if it is 5, it is 4, it has to be 3. See why? Suppose this is hypotenuse and this is perpendicular. If we calculate this, see, h, what we need? We need base. B is equals to root over h square minus p square. See, h, 5 square, p square, 4 square. 25 minus 16, that is 9 root, that is 3 square, that is 3 unit. So this is a unique number which we can say Pythagoras triplet. Okay, now in this number, see, in this Pythagoras triplet, the bigger one will be the hypotenuse, this one will be the hypotenuse, and if you keep this either p or b, you will end up finding the another side with, that is 5. Okay, so these all are Pythagoras triplet. Why I have given you? Sometimes it might come in MCQ questions, like it is given in the figure that 2 sides are given. You have to find third side and you have to solve any question. Okay, so if it comes in MCQ, then you don't have to solve if you have memorized this. Okay, now let's move to the next question you have. You can see for first question. Okay, example 1. We'll solve all the example and all the exercise in the book, clear? So no need to have any worry about this. See, first example, first question we have, you can see in board Mati. What is given here? Given tan A equals to 4 by 3. It's a trigonometric ratio. Okay, what is given? Tan A equals to 4 by 3. Find the other trigonometric ratios of angle A. That means we have to find sin A, cos A, tan A we have, cosec A, sec A and cot A. Remaining 5 trigonometric ratios we have to find. And to find any trigonometric ratios, we need 2 sides. So remaining 5, obviously we need 3 sides of our triangle. We don't have to draw a triangle over here, but still it is given, it's okay. So 2 sides are given. We have to find the third side, then it will be the easier we can find the other trigonometric ratio. Now see, here what we have to do. It's equal to P by B, we know this. P equal to 4K, B equal to 3K. So many students arise one question, why we are using this K? See, in place of K you can use other variable also, no problem, but we have to use. Why? See, I am telling you why we have to use 3K and 4K. 4 by 3 is equals to P by B, isn't it? But that doesn't mean that 4 by P is 4 equals to P always. That might be, might not be. Clear? It might be equals to P, might not be. Now the question is why? See. Because they are ratios, okay? Ratios. Like 4 by 6. 2 into 3, 4. Sorry. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. Equals to 2 by 3. Now see. That means, this means 4 by 6 is equals to 2 by 3. Like 4 by 3 equal to P by B. So 4 by 6 equals to 2 by 3. Is 4 equals to 2? No. Clear? This is the reason. So these are ratios. These are not the exact number. What? These are ratios. Okay. When ratios are equal, that means ratios are proportional. Doesn't mean that numerator and denominator will be exactly equal. Okay. So we can keep, what we can do is 4 equals to 2K. Okay. What will be K? Here K will be 2. K equals to 2. So 4K equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. Similarly, 6 equal to 3K. K is 2. 3 into 2 equals to 6. Okay. That's why we have to use this variable. But if you don't use this variable, then also answer will come, but that will not be a systematic way. Okay. So we have to use variable. I hope you will not miss this. Okay. You will be, I have seen so many students that don't have habit of using this variable in this type of question, and they'll end up with deduction of some few marks in metric exam, HSLC exam. Clear? Now see. So we know P, we know B, we have to find H, and by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras Baba, he has given one formula, that is H equal to root over P square plus B square. P square plus B square. What is P? 4K whole square plus what is B? 3K whole square. 4K, 3K. Clear? Now see. 16K square plus 9K square under root. We know 5, the answer will be, H will be 5, because we know that Pythagoras triplet 3, 4 and 5. But this is not 1 marks question. Okay, so we have to write. Okay, we have to find 25K square, 5K square, 5 square K square, that will be 5K. Clear? Now see. What we have to find? We have to find the other trigonometric ratios, like sin A. Sin A equal to P by H. That means what is P? 4K and H 5K. Now ultimately this K will be cut. That will be 4 by 5. Okay. Cos A equal to B by H. What is B? B is 3K, H is 5K. 3 by 5. No need to find 10 because 10 is given in the question. Cosec A. Cosec A, what we know, cosec A means 1 by sin A. So just reciprocal of sin, that is 5 by 4. sec A will be the reciprocal of cos A. That means this one, this reciprocal 5/3. And cot A will be the reciprocal of tan A. So what is tan A? 4/3, that is 3/4. So these are the required answer. Clear? Any doubt? No doubt. So this was all for today. We'll meet in next class with remaining questions, remaining examples and exercise. Till then, study well and stay tuned to Aspire Academy.